Welcome back. Abịakwala m ọzọ. Learn Igbo language with Igbo. N'ụbọchị taa, aga m akụziri gị okwu na ntụgharị ya. Okwu na ntụgharị ya, that is words and opposite. We're going to learn words and opposite. Ị bụrụ nwata Igbo, sụba asụsụ Igbo, Igbo amaka. Asụsụ anyị bụ omenala anyị. Asụsụ anyị bụ njirimara anyị. Our language is our culture. Our language is our heritage. You're welcome back again. If today is your first time of seeing this video, please kindly subscribe and stay tuned so that you will learn Igbo language. Share this video to people that you know they need it. Like, comment. Okay? All right, let's go straight to the business of the day. Today we're going to learn words and opposite. Okwu na ntụgharị ya. Okwu na ntụgharị ya. Today is a special edition, so stay tuned to the end so that you can learn. All right, the first we're going to talk about is white, ọcha. The opposite, black, oji. All right, white, black, ọcha, oji. Okay, white is ọcha, black bụ oji. I hope you're getting what I'm saying. All right, so the next is fat, Igbo. Then the opposite, slim, gele gele. Fat, Igbo. Fat, Igbo. Then the opposite, slim, gele gele. I hope I'm not too fast. So please kindly follow me gently. You will learn. All right. The next is short. Mpo. Short. Mpo. The opposite, tall. Ogologo. Tall. Ogologo. I hope it's clear. All right. Next, down, ala. Down, ala. The opposite, up, elu. Up, elu. Up, elu. Down, ala. Down, ala. Up, elu. I hope it's clear. All right, the next is heavy, arrow. Heavy, arrow, something that is heavy, weighty. Igbo, we call it arrow. Then the opposite, light, fe or fecha. Opposite of light is heavy. Light, heavy. Then heavy is arrow. Light, mfe or fecha. Okay, I hope you're getting it. I am into this business, and it's a personal one at that, because our language is going down. People don't value it anymore, which is not good. Like I used to say, our language is our heritage. Our language is our culture. Asụsụ anyị bụ njirimara anyị. Asụsụ anyị bụ omenala anyị. Ama m na ị na-aghọta ihe m na-ekwu. Please, if your children are not speaking Igbo, you're not doing them any good. Meaning they don't have roots, they don't know where they come from. So you need to go back to the roots, go back to the drawing board. Let them learn Igbo language. Okay? All right, let's proceed. Ihu, front. Ihu, front. Azụ, that's into area, the opposite. Azụ, black. Azụ, back. Okay, front, back. Ihu, azụ. Front, ihu, back, azụ. Front, ihu, back, azụ. Okay, this is the words and opposite. Words and opposite. I said it, short, tall, ogologo, mkpụmkpụ. Fat, ibu. Slim, fecha fecha. Sorry, slim, giligili. Slim, giligili. Up, enu. Down, ani. Up, enu. Down, ala. Okay? Please, if you have any question, do not hesitate to ask. Go to the comment section, draw my attention, and I will answer you correctly. Okay? Ị bụrụ nwata Igbo sụba asụsụ Igbo, Igbo amaka. Asụsụ anyị amaka. Ama m na ị na-aghọta ihe na-ekwu. Obere oge m ga na-etere gị egwu n'Igbo. I will dance for you in Igbo language so that you understand where I'm coming from. I am proud Adigbo, nwa afọ Igbo, and that is what I want you to be. The whites are proud of themselves. The Yorubas are proud of themselves. What about you? That is who we are. Remember, onye ayana nwanne ya. That is why I'm here to carry everybody along so that when eventually we'll get what we want, we'll be proud of ourselves. All right. For now, bye. I love you. Jisike na-amụ asụsụ Igbo. Ọ ga-adịrị gị na mma. Gị onye ọma na-ege m ntị. Ka emesịa. Bye.